The Edo State Governorship Election Tribunal on Thursday accepts more documents as evidence, while 4 more witnesses from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) talk say irregularities dey for some polling units inside Esan Northeast, Oredo, Esan Southeast, and Esan Central local government areas during the 2024 governorship election. This matter increased the total number of PDP witnesses to 10 for the petition where the party and their candidate Ason Ighodalo filed challenging the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) declaration of Senator Monday Okpebholo as the winner of the election. When the hearing of petition EPT/ED/GOV/02/2024 continue, Igbarase Matthias, wey be PDP Esan Northeast Local Government Area Coalition agent, asked the tribunal to admit his witness statement wey he write on October 11, 2024. Matthias tok say overvoting happen for 9 polling units inside the area and he show exhibit PCB 40 to PCB 48 of Form EC25B series as evidence. He constantly tok say to make his statement on oath, independent on certified true copies of INEC's voters register, Forms EC25B, EC8A, INEC election manual, screenshots of IREV copies of Form EC8A, Beavers accreditation report and Beavers extract wey be CTCs of Form EC8C after he don check them by himself. Matthias bring IREV certified true copies of result sheet from INEC, duplicate polling unit result sheet of Form EC8A and in party agent card as evidence. The 54-year-old witness tok say overvoting happen for polling unit 011 and say im sabi say the uploading of results into the IREV happen for the polling unit level. During cross-examination by INEC's lead lawyer Kanlu Agabi, Matthias come agree say im work as local government agent of im party no include handling the beavers during the election. He come also tok say PDP unit and ward agents signed the election result sheet and also add say he no be unit agent or ward agent for im party during the election. Aigbe Ighodalo Lucky, the PDP agent for Oredo local government area, tell the court say overvoting happen for 66 polling units for an area and say INEC enter wrong scores for APC. A court talk say he depend on INEC documents to make a statement on oath and he use them as evidence for the petition. Ighodalo come also talk say no records of serial numbers of sensitive materials wey INEC use for the election dey for Form EC25B for in local government. During cross-examination, he come admit say he not check any Beavers machine during the election when he work as PDP local government area coalition agent for Oredo, but he check the document when he party give am. Another witness, Adekule Obo, wey be PDP Esan Central local government area coalition agent, talk about irregularities for 23 polling units. He tell the court say no records of serial numbers of sensitive materials wey INEC use dey for some polling units for the area for Form EC25B. Obo agree say the polling unit result dey signed by PDP agents up to the ward level before he sign Form EC8C. He come also talk say all Forms EC8A result sheets dey counter-signed by INEC presiding officers. Obo come add say in statement na based on documents when the party collect from INEC. Another witness we seen in Harvard, the PDP Esan Southeast local government area coalition agent, also talk about irregularities for 5 polling units, say no records of serial numbers of sensitive materials used for the election dey for Form EC25B. The respondent counsel objected to the document where the witnesses bring, but said them go explain their reasons for the address stage. Justice Wilfred Bochi, wey be the chairman of the tribunal, admit the documents provisionally as evidence pending when the respondent lawyers go talk their mind and come adjourn the hearing to Friday, January 24, 2025 for continuation. One legal practitioner, Prince Peter Uwadia Igbenige, who also be Edo APC publicity secretary for in talk with our Tory person Osaze Esehenre, come talk say
the 2 witnesses have been cross-examined extensively as to the credibility of the evidence that they have brought to court. And you can observe that from the statements and evidence given, oral evidence given by them, there is nothing to show that they are even aware of how come the documents that they have tendered in court. Consequently, the documents that they were asked to come and speak on has not been spoken on. And the meaning of that in law is that when you dump documents in court and you're not able to talk on those documents favorably for your case, it therefore means that those documents are a wasted piece of paper. To that extent, today PDP has not really done well. And you can see that expression in the faces of the lawyers representing the petitioners. We are happy that it's coming this way because we have put on record that this election was conducted peacefully and one of the best elections that has ever been conducted in this country. If they have contrary view, it behoves on them to come and prove it in court. And to the way things are going in court now, it shows overwhelmingly that they do not even know why they are in court. We are waiting patiently for them to call more witnesses. Our lawyers are ready. We are ready to make them heard known. And we believe that at the end of the day, justice will be served in this matter. And Okpewolo will not be distracted by this petition in court. We have seen it as a way of distracting this present government from doing what the Edo people has voted him to come and do. But he has put his hand on the plow. We are not looking back. Edo will be good for it. This petition will meet its Waterloo, and we are very sure that at the end of the day, APC will be the victorious party.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.